Do you know there is a quickest way to find the sum of some numbers or some data set in Apple numbers very quickly? So let's see how we can do this thing. The traditional approach is we need to select the location where we want to find the sum, and then we need to add the formula like this. Okay, if we double click, it will show us the formula like that. Now I will show you very easiest and shortcut way to do this thing. Now we'll find the sum very easy and quickest way. What we need to do, we need to select the data set. So this is the data set. We need to find the sum, and if you come to the down, you'll see there is couple of tabs there, small tabs like sum, average, minimum, maximum, and so on. So how we can find the sum very easily? We just need to drag it and drop it over here, and then it will give us the sum of these numbers. And this is the easiest and quickest way to find the sum from some dataset in Apple numbers.